Gorazd, you're here representing a marketing and consulting company. What are, in your opinion, the advantages of Slovenia as a meetings industry destination?
Well, it's a country easy to do business and easy to live. That's all what I can say about Slovenia and their main advantages. When we are talking about MICE industry, we should mention that we have well-developed industry in terms of hardware, let's say so. We have infrastructure, we have all kind of suppliers. On the other hand, at this moment we are working on software, so on the field of development of skills of our personnel, and that's one of the biggest disadvantages at this moment for Slovenian MICE and meetings industry.
So what is the current state of affairs in the meetings industry market in Slovenia?
Well, according to European major competitors, we are well developed, I think so. Especially, as I said before, we have all kind of suppliers on the market now available for international venue finders. But we have a lot of work to do to have more association clients and to have more big association congresses in Slovenia in the future.
What is your opinion on cooperation of Southeast European destinations in the area of meetings industry?
Well, I believe Slovenia is a great example how to develop meeting industry. I believe also Conventa as an idea based in Slovenia is well accepted among Southeast European countries. For sure, we can cooperate well and do a lot of marketing projects together, which is much better than to do it alone, because we all have small budgets for marketing, and that's one of the greatest opportunities for countries of Southeast Europe.
Do you think that this cooperation, as an example of Conventa, does it strengthen the position of Slovenia?
Yes, for sure. I believe that in next 10 years we will have a big show because of great interest for the region. Already this year we expect a lot of exhibitors from the region, and we really in real life see that interest for the region is strong and is growing year per year.
Imagine looking into the future. What are your predictions on the future development of the meetings industry in Slovenia?
Well, I expect steady and slow progress because during last few years we went on the road of fast development. Now everything will be more steady and more slow. So we are now a serious meetings destination. I expect a lot of movement in the field of education, research and development. These are the fields we need to develop in future, especially education. And I believe will be really a professional destination for meeting planners, where they can find great services and value for money. That's what I expect in future.
What are the most appropriate marketing tools in order to promote Slovenia's meetings industry offer?
First of all, use all marketing tools provided by Slovenian Convention Bureau. Then another important thing is to be innovative, providing offers to international clients, to respond quickly, because nowadays that's really important to be professional on that. And then I believe you need to invest also a lot of money on research and development. We know all different tools for such research and development projects, and we don't use it in an appropriate way in Slovenia. So this is also quite important for Slovenian meetings industry. We need to also develop a meetings monitor to monitor what is going on around us and to have a decision process then easier than nowadays. So a lot of things to do. Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you, Gorazd.